Geza expulsion from ZANU-PF. Sanapina mashoko abuda nyuko panapa nevakomana vachinzi aiwa mukomana anonzi Geza panguva ino aiwa potofailiwa tsamba inozoratidza kuti aiwa he has been expelled from the ruling party. Kunyange zvake akataura achiti aiwa kunyange mukandi-expela mameetings ese I'm going to attend. Notable subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina panapa Mzimba aibuda nyura chiti by Gifford Gomwe. In response to the process initiated to expel Comrade Geza and I from ZANU-PF, I wanted to make this clear. ZANU-PF runs through my veins. It is in my heart. No one can take away what is a lifeblood within me. As part cadres, we are our own liberators, and no force can deter me from standing for what I believe is right. The truth is, Comrade Mnangagwa is the architect of the 2030 agenda. It is no record that he instructed ministers to chant the 2030 slogan, and he himself declared 2030 Ndichipo. He is the source of the confusion that plagues both ZANU-PF and the nation at large. We refuse to be silenced when we know he is the one fueling divisions and factionalism within the party. Our constitution mandates the president to promote peace and unity among Zimbabweans, yet under his leadership, anarchy and despondence have become the norm. ZANU-PF is a sacred and colossal party grounded in revolutionary ethos, principles, and ideology that guide us all. Everyone has the right to freedom of speech, expression, and the right to life. To my fellow Zimbabweans, it is time to wake up and stand firm for our rights. President Mnangagwa has failed. He has made countless promises, yet delivered on few. It is in the nation's best interest that Comrade Mnangagwa considers resigning as president before it is too late. We strongly urge him to step down and make way for a new chapter of leadership and progress for Zimbabwe by Gifford Gomwe. Thomas Kwanonyogwa pana Gifford Gomwe wakaona vachiramba vachiti aiwa you cannot expel us. Hamungakwanisi kubvisa our DNA zviri matiri. Mashoko atiri kuona kuti panguva ino vachikola up for the resignation yemutungamiri wenyika panapa vakonzeresa chaos. Ngotidzai mafungiro enyu mundoti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.